Gotta get my 2-minute update from crypto.com. I'm never trading late. Skip the frenzy, let's check the stats.
Welcome, CRO family. Thanks for joining me today. Check out the Grok radio playlist in this channel for amazing Grok music. Subscribing, liking, commenting, and pressing that notification bell is very appreciated. This supports your investment. Now let's compare from yesterday's metrics. The price today for your coin is 12.1 cents, up 1.62% with volume up 38.37%. The price is ranging from a high of 12.1 cents and a low of 11.8. CoinGecko is showing a market cap of 3 billion to 150 million for 153,000, which is up, and a trading volume of 11,855,000, which is up. Etherscan is showing 311,960 holders, up 33. CoinGecko shows the top 3 exchanges by volume are number 1 Crypto.com with 38.75%, number 2 is Coinbase with 11.08%, and number 3 OKX with 10.45%. For our social presence on X, our main account has 2.8 million followers and our main Reddit channel has 107,000 members. I hope everyone watching today is living their best CRO life, and I'll see you tomorrow. Au revoir.
Quickly before you go, can you predict tomorrow's price? Let us know in the comments.
I'm on the chain, see my balance packed. Graphs and charts, they never slack. Gotta get my 2-minute update from crypto.com. I'm never trading late. Skip the frenzy, let's check the stats. Crypto numbers, growing stacks. Round and round, do-si-do. In the crypto dance, we all on tote.